Number 5 is HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E wireless printer. If you have a creative spirit and love adding your personal touch to everyday items, you will be thrilled with the best printer for waterslide printing. Get ready to dive into a world of fun and excitement where your imagination knows no bounds. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E wireless color all-in-one printer is at the forefront of this vibrant technology. With its fast print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, you'll never have to wait long to see your designs come to life. What sets this printer apart is its ability to handle waterslide printing effortlessly. Whether you're creating custom decals for your ceramics or personalized designs for your woodworking projects, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E has got you covered. With its professional quality color printing, your forms, reports, brochures, and presentations will shine with vivid brilliance. Not only does this printer offer exceptional performance, but it also comes with exciting features to enhance your printing experience. Activate HP Plus and unlock a world of possibilities. If you like this printer, then be sure to check out the link in the description box to purchase it. That's all from us in today's video about the top 5 best printers for waterslide printing. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!